Oh!
Let's go to the Bubble Science Lab!
Yay!
Welcome to the Bubble Lab. Today
Yay!
we make bubbles that don't pop!
Yay!
Look at this.
Wow!
Now we gotta see if the magic concoction works.
Oh yeah.
Aww. Yay! Yay!
Henry's cool.
Oh yeah. Oh!
Whoa. I can see myself.
Wow!
Wait, it's going in. It went in.
Wow!
Wait, look at this. I'm gonna make the smallest bubble. First, you gotta hold it. Then it has to pop. Then you gotta pop it. Then you gotta honey! Whoa! Well, Henry, it looks like Unspeakable's head. At the frog. Oh yeah. Hey! Today was awesome, William. The unpopping bubbles were a success.
Yay!
For the recipe to make unpoppable bubbles, check out the description down below.
Aww.
Please like and subscribe so you can join the H&W Crew.